Cities are constantly evolving, and so are the living conditions between and within them. Rapid urbanization and the ever-growing need for housing has resulted in large areas of most cities into concrete landscapes lacking greenery. It is widely understood that the urban green spaces have the natural ability to filter the pollution and the local air and ground temperature. Green infrastructure can support human health, provide socio-economic and environmental benefits, and bring color to an otherwise grey urban landscape. Green spaces also have a positive relationship with human health. They help in reducing socio-economic health inequalities, facilitating activity, and promoting better mental health and well-being. The pathways linking health benefits of green space to pollution reduction remain unclear. However, the deployment of green infrastructure is critical to avoid unintended consequences, and the strategic deployment of green infrastructure may lead to reducing downward air pollution. Transport emissions and industrial activities are a very large part of the contributor to air pollution in cities around the world and contribute to a number of health problems like cardiovascular and respiratory diseases. Green infrastructure here can refer to trees, vegetation, green walls, street trees, hedges, or the engineered structures such as the sustainable urban drainage systems.